Hello, today we will guide you through how to deposit in PrimeXBT. To begin, open PrimeXBT and go to the Accounts Overview page. This is the main area where you can manage your account balances and access funding options. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct section before moving forward. Starting from the Accounts page helps you access the deposit tools quickly and avoids confusion if you are browsing other parts of the platform. When you are on the Accounts screen, look to the top right corner and click Deposit. This will open the funding options available for your account. If you do not immediately see the button, give the page a second to fully load and scan the upper right area carefully. This is the entry point for adding funds, so once you select it, you will be taken to the next stage of the process. After that, you will be asked to choose the type of deposit you want to make. If you want to add funds using standard payment or fiat-related methods, click Money Deposit. This option is typically used when you want to fund your account through traditional payment channels. Be sure to review any details shown on the screen, since available methods and processing times may vary depending on your region or account settings. If instead you want to fund your account with digital assets, click Crypto Deposit. This option is for users who are transferring cryptocurrency into PrimeXBT. When choosing this route, it is especially important to pay close attention to the wallet and network details displayed on screen. Using the correct information helps ensure your transfer is sent properly. Once you have selected either money deposit or crypto deposit, continue by following the on-screen procedure. PrimeXBT will guide you through the remaining steps based on the option you chose. This may include entering an amount, selecting a payment method, reviewing transfer information, or confirming the transaction. Take your time during this stage and double-check everything before submitting. A careful review can help prevent delays or mistakes, especially when working with crypto transfers or account funding details. And that's it. By going to the Accounts page, selecting Deposit, choosing either Money Deposit or Crypto Deposit, and then following the instructions shown on screen, you can complete your deposit process in PrimeXBT. Be sure to wait for confirmation once the transaction is submitted and keep an eye on your account balance for the update.